The process, the bare process, in the adaptation phase is like digging a hole. We have cell minus, less function, less cells, digging a hole. Like muscle atrophy, less density of the cells in the muscles, or bone decalcification, less density of the bones. That's in the adaptation phase. So we have cell minus getting less cells. So when I feel not strong enough, what do I need to do? Become more strong. When I feel not flexible enough, what do I need to do? Become more flexible. However, the body does something ingenious here. The model of the least effort is in place. Whenever a bone of muscle is not used or no longer needed, bones and muscles degeneration takes place until the time that it's re-needed. So in the adaptation phase, we no longer need it. In the regeneration phase, we start needing it again. Like in business, one of the things you can handle with a overload is if you cannot handle those tasks, you might as well sell off that division. So let's move to the regeneration phase. In the regeneration phase of the bones, we have cell plus, getting more cells again to build up. So we build up the cells in regeneration phase, but something awesome happens too. We have an overcompensation, meaning we have even more cells than we initially started with. This is really easy observed in going to a gym. When you first go to the gym, in the gym, you break down some cells, you get tiny muscle ruptures. After you take some rest, this muscle is rebuilt, and due to the overcompensation, you get stronger cells or stronger muscles, thicker, bigger muscles than before. That's actually the whole reason why people, usually men, go to the gym to get bigger muscles. This is a graph from fitness, and you can see in the red area it's the actually exercise, which breaks down the muscles. The second part is the regeneration, where it builds up the muscles again towards a normal state. But however, just after it reaches normal, it continues growing. It's called supercompensation, overcompensation, basically the same thing. So you become stronger than before. And when this happens over and over and over again, you become a bodybuilder. Every time it's get a little bit more overcompensation and muscles get bigger. That's all in the bare brain. So now to do an assignment. Look up the following tissues in your directory and write down the themes of these tissues in your workbook. The shoulder, the myocardium, the adrenal cortex, the spleen, the muscles of the leg, and the kidney parenchyma. Look up the tissues and write down the themes in your workbook. Take about 5 minutes for that. Stop the video and do that exercise now.
If you like this, you probably want me to make more of that. So share your insights, share your comments below, and what videos would you like to see?